Okay, it's Miss Tingle, so I'm going to show you how to fix something that you messed up. So this is my Munster. I know somebody has deleted their green body and they don't know how to get it back, so I'm going to show you. When you're in Google Slides, really any Google app like Google Docs, also this works, you can see where you have a version history. Like this says last edit was 4 minutes ago. Yep, that's when I removed my green body. So if I click on this, I can come over to the sides and I can see the different versions that I have. Now, the current version is the version where I don't have a green Munster body. I'm going to want to check out this version that I made yesterday at 8:52. Look, this version, there's my green body. So I go back to the current version. Her hair's gone and her body's gone. But I go back to my version from yesterday. There it is. And I can restore this version. And I'm going to click restore this version. Your current document will revert to the version from October 13th at 8:52 a.m. That was yesterday. Yes, I want to do that. I'm going to click restore. And I have just restored, and I can go to the slide and I have my green body back and I have my hair back, and there you go.